Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to make account private in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to make account private in Oculus, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you tap open the app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. Once you tap on menu, you need to now tap on settings, and from the settings simply tap on privacy settings. After you do so, you need to tap on private profile and simply turn on the dongle to the right hand side of the corner. So once you turn on the dongle to the right hand side of the corner, your account will now be private and people will need to send requests to follow you on your Oculus app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.